I hope you can see my screen also. Can you see it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Give me 1 second. I will share the link. Okay, this is the link I am going to share it with you. Okay, and here you can provide your name, your university ID, and the first name, contact name, and your working place. If you are a worker, you can mention that you are working place, and the position experience you have within the industrial, and the year of experience, career objective. It's mean what are the things you want to do in the future, likewise, and what are the convenient language should I speak. It's mean what is the language you can talk properly, and that is the I wanted to know. And do you have a computer, and where do you come from? These information you need to provide. I hope it's clear. Okay, I will share the link with you now. uh, I will use this chat box. You can go ahead and you can open it, then you can type it. Someone open it and tell me, is it audible enough for you? Not the you can access, right? And the meantime, I will share the WhatsApp group. If you have WhatsApp group, I think we can share the information what we need quickly. We can share it. Therefore, I will use the. Okay, please go ahead and join this group. Then we can chat quickly using this WhatsApp link. You can join the WhatsApp group, and also you can fill the data. I hope you can access this one, right? Yeah. Okay. By the way, I am Pubudu. I'm a software engineer, and I'm working in the another university also. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can directly ask me. You can unmute and your mic, then you can talk to me. Yes, of course. Yeah. Okay, very good. Yeah, I want to add another link asking. Okay, this if you did any IT related course, okay, it can be sometimes some programming like Python or something, some office package or something. If you did some any thing, you can mention here what is the that course also. Then I can manage the way I wanted to do. Only for a WhatsApp group, join only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. But in here, I saw the student count is around like 22 is there. Okay, please go ahead and use the WhatsApp that link, and then you can join it. If you have any doubt, please let me know, right? I hope you can, everyone can access this link, right? Okay, this is the first day, then I want to know the what is your, that's why I shared this link. Okay, experience is no one. Yes, everyone want to become a software engineer, right? What about others? If you can't access these links, please let me know. I hope everyone can access it, right? You just need to click on this link, then you can directly fill the data. If you are use your mobile phone, please edit it. It means the in the top of the your web browser, you can see the option like a edit or something. Then you have to click on the edit, then only you can edit it. Not, if not, it will appear only view only. Okay, Panadura Ampara Candy Kurunagala Kurunagala and Candy. Okay, I will give time. Okay, no need to be hurry. Okay, we have enough plenty of time. Okay, IT professional, software engineer, become a programmer. Okay, no, right? I think you all of after the A level, some are doing the job also, right? Yes, everyone. Yes. Yeah. Why did I ask? Do you have a computer? Because we are going to do the Java. Okay, using Java, we are going to do the object-oriented programming. Okay, therefore we need to have a computer. Without a computer, we can't do anything, right? Okay, therefore we must computer in order to run the program. That's why I asked it. Okay. Uh, Yes, following a degree, physics, MS Office certificate was Open University Sri Lanka. Yes, very good. What about others? Please go ahead and fill the each and every uh, columns. Okay, then I can get the idea about you. Then I can start the programming things the where you need. That's why I am asking it. We have to start at the beginning, I think. Okay, I think this will help for you if you want to become a developer like a back-end developer or front-end developer or the uh, DevOps engineer. I hope you can see it as a front-end engineer. You can take a time, okay? Then fill it. Basically, you need to know the HTML, CSS, and the JavaScript. I hope you heard it, right? HTML is a basic thing, and the CSS, we need to use the CSS in order to design the HTML things. It's mean that we can uh, simple as we can increase the font size, we can design something using CSS, and the JavaScript, using JavaScript we can do calculation things and everything. If you wanted to become actually front-end developer, basically you have to know the these three programming language like HTML, CSS, and the JavaScript. I hope this will help for you. Okay, if you want to become a software engineer, the first thing as a front-end developer, you need to follow this rule, the roadmap map of the front of developer. Then you can improve your knowledge. GitHub likewise, don't think about that word and everything. Okay, I will explain it everything in the beginning. I just need to share the path you need to start. What are the language? First you need to know HTML. I hope you did it right. HTML, CSS, and the JavaScript. All right, I will share this one also with you using a WhatsApp group. It will help for you. You can go ahead and follow it as a backend developer. Sometimes you may think what the hell this is. Okay, don't think about that. When the time being, you will understand everything. Okay, therefore don't confuse with it. One day you will help. You can get something from these pictures. Okay, we'll check how many students fill it. Okay, still feeling, right? Because this is very very help for me, because I'm not going to ask one by one here, because I know somehow don't like to talk. And but by the way, you have to talk, because we have to do the viva and everything. Okay, the finally you will have a viva and some exercise and everything, group activities, and we have many things, okay, to do. Then you have to speak up. But today is the first day, therefore I'm not going to force it to you. Okay, if you uh, I know sometimes you don't like. Okay, we'll see. I'm not going to plan do lot of things today. I just need to give some introduction, and I wanted to know, get to know about yourself. And I'm going to tell you how to install the Java working environment. It's mean first you have to install it, Java. Then only you can do the coding part. I will come to that part later on. Okay, Candy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, around 15 students have filled this one. What about others? This is also I need for your Viva. And when we put some mark, I wanted to get the list of details and everything. That's why I want this one. You will have a Viva, and I wanted to give a marks and everything. All right. Therefore, please don't miss this one. This is very important data sheet for me. Don't ignore. Okay, if you are ignore means I think you don't you can come into the class. Okay, it's mean you will not get the marks and everything. Okay, within the whole this subject, I am the person you are going to give the marks and everything. Okay, no one else. Okay, why your marks and your activity marks, your exercise mark and everything. Okay, therefore please make sure to uh, actively connect with me. Okay, using WhatsApp and everything. If I ask something, please go ahead and answer me. Okay, don't without speak. Okay, don't stay without speaking. Okay, whatever convenient language you can talk with me, but unfortunately I don't know the Tamil, but I can speak in Sinhala and the English. Okay, and the same time, okay, you can use this chat box. Okay, and here you can use this chat box. And using chat box, please tell me, meeting chat, what is the convenient language should I talk with you. I can talk with the Sinhala and the English both. And what is the language should I talk to you? It means that when I conduct the lecture, what is the language I have to use? Please go ahead and type here. If you are comfortable with the English, please go ahead and type as English. Okay, if you are comfortable with Sinhala, please mention as Sinhala. And if you want me to talk with the both language, just mention as both, because that is very important for me, because we wanted to give the knowledge for you. Okay, both. Okay, what about others? And here around I think we have around 28 students are there. Please go ahead and uh, type it. If I ask something, please, okay, if I ask something, please answer it. Okay, don't without stay without talking, right? Okay, two people are saying both. Mohammed said English. What about others? English, right? Yes. One, two, three, four is both. Six is both. Okay, here we have interesting topic. Here we have video game developer. One person, yes, very good. Both. Okay, most of the people like to talk. Need to talk me both language, right? Yes. Okay, and here see how many students are there and how many students are reply for me. Here 28 students are there, but reply only we have around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 9. Okay, almost 20 missing. I don't know. Okay, I wanted to tell the first day, please keep always actively connect with me. It means if I ask something, please go ahead and tell me. So I don't understand that part. Please, I don't understand that part. Likewise, please go ahead and ask me. And if you have any doubt, you can directly unmute and you can talk with me. And if you don't like to talk with me, please go ahead and use the chat box. Using chat box, ask me. Okay, all right. We'll see how many data I got here. I hope everyone feel it, right? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Hassan Faris. Okay, I will keep this link available for you. Okay, we will continue with our lecture today. And today I am not going to do much thing before start the lecture. Okay, both. Okay, now stop doing this work, because you can type it later. Okay, come please, stop now typing. We have almost half an hour is finished now. All right, okay, then I hope you can see my screen, right? Can you see it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Uh, Before we start the today lecture, actually today using in object oriented it's mean the using Java, we are going to learn the object oriented programming. Okay. Uh, Before moving to the object oriented part, okay, can someone tell me what is programming? Any idea? Why do we need a programming language? Why do we need to know the programming language? What is the programming language? Any uh, definition from your side? Anyone in here? You can unmute and you can tell me. If not, you can directly use the your chat box here. You can type it. I wanted to know what is the programming language. That's it. What is the programming language and why do we need a programming language? Actually, through this course, we are going to learn the Java, right? We are going to learn the Java, but before moving to the object oriented part, first we have to know the what is the programming language and why do we need a programming language. Likewise, okay, tell me any idea regarding that. What is programming language? Okay, no need to mention the programming language, just tell me the example of the programming language, you know, up to now. Programming language, what are the programming language, you know? And not the Java. Okay, everyone know now then Java is a programming language. What else, you know? Any idea? Yes, set of instruction or the command which tell us what to do. Yes, very good. Okay, very good definition for a programming language. Program the Python. Yes, Python is a programming language. What else? Only Python
C++,
programming language? Yes, C++. What else?
HTML.
HTML. Yes, normally we use HTML for develop the website. Yes, yes, very good. What else? And here we have mentioned
C,
C. Yes, very good. C,
C
uh,
plus,
C plus plus. Okay, C plus plus. Yes, very good. What else? You can unmute and tell it. Okay, no, it is not the disturbance for me. Okay, don't worry about it. Just go ahead and speak up.
CSS.
Sorry, Buddha, tell me again.
CSS.
CSS. What is CSS actually? The CSS normally used for a design. Design means if you wanted to, after we develop the website using HTML, we can color. Like color means we can increase the font size using CSS language. We can give different styles and we can increase font size, decrease font size. Okay, likewise using CSS language. Okay, type of writing language that tell computer to what to do. Yes, definition. Yeah, very good. And here we have a PHP. PHP is also a programming language. Very good. It's normally
SQL.
SQL, structured query language. Okay, it is a SQL is a language. It's when we deal with the database. Okay, database is a collection of data. Like data means like when we discuss about the like student table. Within the student table, what we can have a student name, we can have a student ID, address. Likewise, okay, those data we can have within the database. Okay, we can have a database. Then using SQL we can deal with the database and the interface means actually it is a program. Okay, like a interface we can deal with, it's mean we can insert data to the database, then we can retrieve the data back from the database. This is the interface, the software. And we can update existing data. Likewise, those things we can do with the SQL is a different language. It means when we deal with the program, when we deal with the database, we have to use the SQL. Yes, very good. Okay, SQL is also we need when we deal with the database. Okay, database, within the database we have data. Okay, data, like example I told you, student name, likewise student address, likewise we can have a data. Okay, if you wanted to deal with the database, then we have to use the SQL, structured query language. And also here mentioned as a PHP. Yes, PHP also programming language. Normally it's also used for a developer website. Okay, PHP also used for a developer website. And the type of written language that tell computer what to do, it's a program. Yes, program is a instruction set. Okay, we can give some input. Okay, we can give some input, then using that input a computer can do some process, then according to the input, according to the our coding, okay, computer gives some output. Yes, JavaScript. Yes, JavaScript also language. Yes, okay. And instruction of structure of instruction for object, what is that? Inst structure of uh, structure of instruction for object. What does that mean? I didn't get that point. We can say like structures of instruction set. Okay, set of instruction set structure. Yes, yes. Then we can directly send into the computer, then we can get the output. Yes, very good. What else? Any other answers? Yes, those are the programming language. Okay, then here we are going to learn the Java. Okay, we are going to learn the Java. And here actually programming languages we can use in order to develop a software. Okay, like example, what are the software do you know? And here what are the different type of software you know? You normally programming language use for a developer software, right? Okay, normally using programming language we are going to develop a software. What is the software means? Software means normally if you wanted to do something, like if you wanted to get a printout. Okay, if you wanted to get a printout, then we have to use what? We have to use the word. Okay, we have to use the word. If you wanted to do some calculation things, we have to use the Excel. If you wanted to edit something, then we edit something like if you wanted to edit a photo or something, then we have to use the Photoshop or something. Like if you wanted to make a movie or something, then we can use the like movie maker. If you wanted to edit some audio thing, then we can use the different software like Audacity or something. Likewise, the in order to do our work easily, okay, then we can use the software. Like example, the simple example, if you wanted to make a biodata or something, the CV, our CV, then we have to use the Word. Okay, the Word is a software, right? It's a particular domain. If we have a particular domain, if we have a software, we can do the our work easily. Like example, the base example, if you wanted to get a printout, then we have to use the Word. First is we have to type it. Okay, we have to type it, then using printer we can get the printout. Okay, then here the Word is a what? It's a software. That software developed by the using what? A programming language. Okay, it's mean programming language used for a developer software. But whatever programming language we used, like it can be a Java, it can be a C sharp, it can be a Python, it can be a C++, whatever. Okay, but the output should same, right? Remember that. Okay, if we wanted to print our name, okay, using printer. Okay, if you wanted to print my name as pubudu. Okay, if I am a software engineer and I wanted to print as a software engineer, and the pubudu is a software engineer. Likewise, if you wanted to print it on the paper, okay, using software, okay, but if we use Java, the output should be same. If the output we need a pubudu, then if we use the Java, then we can get the output as pubudu. If is another language like C sharp or anything, okay, the output should be the same. Okay, whatever the programming language we use, for in order to do something, the output should be the same. Okay, I think sometimes you may confuse. Don't worry. Okay, when the time when you will understand everything. Okay, that the programming is actually, okay, if you wanted to do something using program, we can do it easily. Okay, using programming language we can develop the software. Okay, that is the simple idea. All right, and here we have programming paradigm. What is that? Any idea? You know, you told me about different programming language. Okay, then what is the program? Likewise, you told me. But in here, when we come to this point, here we have a programming paradigm. What is that? Any idea? And here we have a programming language, programming paradigm like uh, declarative and the imperative. Here we have a two type of programming paradigm. Under imperative we have a procedure and the object oriented and the parallel processing. Likewise here we have it. Okay. What is programming paradigm? Any idea?
Pattern, pattern of
Pattern.
programming.
Yes, true. It's a pattern. Yes. Yes, pattern. Different way writing program. Mm-mm. Program various instruction. Very good. I think Shahani. Okay, very good, Shahani. And program various instruction given to solve a problem. Okay, very good. And Nadun says different way of the writing program. Yes, very good. Okay, different program. The different style. Okay, different style. We have a different style in order to do the programming. Okay, that is the paradigm. It means we can use a different style. Okay, using different style we can do the program. Okay, that is the programming paradigm. Okay, and here we have declarative and the imperative. Okay, the imperative means actually how to do the step by step. We have, if we have a collection of instruction set, okay, if we have a collection of instruction set, then what will happen? The first instruction execute and then come to the second statement, third statement. Likewise, I will use the paint, then you can get the idea. Like here, okay, we have first statement means programming line. Okay, program, if you have a program like this, okay, assume this is your program. Assume, just imagine. Okay, just imagine here this is the your program. Okay, written by you. Okay, written by you. Okay, and here we have set of instruction means the things you wrote. Okay, the things you wrote. Assume this is your instruction set. Okay, here we have a instruction set. Here we have instruction set, and here the imperative means, okay, imperative means first instruction run first, okay, then come to the second one and the third one. Likewise, first run this one, okay, then come to the this one, this one, this one. Likewise, after the one line. Okay, you will understand everything later on, don't worry about it. Just get a simple idea. Okay, just simple idea what happening. Okay, actually why do we need a different type of these paradigm? Okay, I will come to this line and I will finish it. The declarative and the imperative means, okay, I will give a best example for you. Okay, for an imperative first, if you want to check your email, if you wanted to check your email, what is you are going to do first? First thing is you need to enter the your email at email Gmail or something as a domain, as a web address. First you have to log in into the your email account. It means you have to give the credential. It means credential means you need to provide the username and the password. First thing is that, okay, you have to enter the your web address like a Gmail or email or whatever things. Okay, then you have to provide the your username and password. Okay, then you have to log into the your inbox, then you can check the your mail and everything. Okay, then if the mail is okay, assume if you are waiting for a mail, okay, then there is a step. No, first is you have to click on the web browser, then you have to type your web address like a Gmail or something, then you have to provide the username and password, then you have to click on the inbox, then you can check the your received mail. Okay, likewise you have a step, right? You have a step. If you wanted to check the mail, you have to follow the all the step, like it is like a we have to do the step by step. Okay, imperative, it is like a imperative, we have a step. Okay, but the declarative means like assume, then you don't like this thing. It's mean you don't it's mean you have a step, right? First thing is you have to log into the web browser, then you have to type the things and type the web address, then you have to enter the username and password, then you have to click on the uh, received mail. Okay, likewise, if you wanted to check it again and again and again and again, you have to do that process, right? If you want to check the mail, you have to go it. But if you think like if you install some app, okay, you are going to install in your computer. If you are trying to install the software in your computer, then if the mail is come to your account, it directly show it here. Okay, directly show under the start bar or something. Okay, you don't need to do anything. Okay, you don't need to do anything, you don't need to follow the any step. Okay, if the mail is received to the your mailbox, it's automatically display here. You don't need to do anything. It is look like a, it's a actually that is the declarative. What to do instead of worrying about how exact something need to be done. Okay, you don't need to do it, it's automatically there. Okay, and here the object oriented means, why do we need to follow the why developers use the different style? Why if we have a first, if we have a procedural programming, okay, why they move into the object oriented programming? In I will tell you some small example for you. I think it will help for you. Okay, in the previously, okay, assume this is the your program. Okay, you have a multi, I am trying to tell you why the people trying to use the object oriented programming. Okay, not any other things. Okay, why object oriented programming? Assume here we have a like a programming set. Okay, in the previous program, assume this is a supermarket system or something. Okay, assume this is supermarket system, and here we have a code in line. What is code in line means? I will type the one line like I think you did the HTML or something. Okay, that's the simple example. Assume this is HTML tag. Okay, this is one line. Okay, this is one line, and the head tag. I hope everyone know it. Okay, that's why I type here. Assume this is the, likewise we have a one. Okay, likewise assume here we have a line. Okay, line. Okay, this is the coding. Head is a coding, H1 is a coding. This is the coding set. Okay, assume this is a coding set. Okay, this in here, how many lines are there? Here we have actually 3 lines. One is statement. Actually, the one line, one call statement is called as one line. Okay, it means actually every statement, okay, end with the semicolon. What is semicolon means? This one. Okay, this one. Every statement end with the semicolon. Statement means what? The one line. Okay, one line called as a one statement. It means here how many statement are there? Here we have a three statement. One we have first statement, then second we have a statement, and we have another statement. Likewise, here we have a three statement. Assume this is the coding line. Okay, this is also called as a source code. Remember that. Just a simple idea. Okay, I will tell you the I will show you the actual source code later on, then you can get the idea. But I wanted to tell you what is the difference between the procedure programming and the object oriented programming. Why people are more into the object oriented programming rather than the procedural programming. Okay, that's the idea I wanted to give you. And here assume here we have a first line and the second line, third line. This is called as a one statement. Okay, remember that one statement. Here we have a three statement for a coding. Okay, likewise here assume we have a thousand of the coding line for a one program. Okay, some developer develop and they implement their program use like whatever programming language. Okay, then they type the programming statement. It's a line. Okay, assume here we have a 10,000 or multiple thousand coding line. Okay, here we have it. Okay, but it is a program, no? It is a supermarket system more in the previously. Okay, not now. Okay, we have a different style now. Okay, when that they wrote a program using the line. Okay, assume here we have a thousand of line. Here we have a thousand of line. Okay, but we have a thousand of line, one to assume one to thousand or something. Okay, just simple, not the thousand. No, okay, just simple. Okay, one to thousand line is there. Okay, up to down, thousand of line is there. 1 to 1,000 line is there. Okay, here we have it. Okay, in that program, okay, not actually 1,000 line, more than that. Okay, 10,000, 20,000, okay, 30,000. Likewise, we have a many programming line. Okay, we have to type it in the previously, not now. Okay, in that time, okay, sometimes assume here we have some error. Okay, and after the program written, okay, some bug is there. Okay, some bug is there within this line. Okay, within this line some bug is there. Bug means the error. Okay, some error. Okay, then what the software developer need to do? He or she need to read it in the beginning. Okay, in the beginning, one line, one line, one line, one line, one line, then only they can find out the error. Okay, it is a very difficult. In here we have a thousand of line now. Okay, then we can read it, thousand line, it's okay. But if we have a 10,000 or 50,000 of line, how can we read it? It is a very difficult task. Okay, for a software engineers it's a very difficult task. Okay, then what they did, okay, they did this program into the part. They divide. Okay, because of these difficulties. Okay, because of we can, if we like example, not only errors. Okay, not only errors, if some, okay, assume this program is only HR part. Okay, HRO sales part only. Here we have a HR, sales part only. The assume we are going to develop a software for a supermarket system. The customer need only first uh, like sales part only. Okay, then after that, after the sales part, the customer request from us as a developer. They ask from us, yeah, the now working is well for a sales system, I need a HR system for that. Okay, then what we can do, assume here we have a have to write these code in, and if you wanted to add another code in for a here, it is a big mess. Okay, it is a big mess. If you wanted to add the HR part to here, this is very difficult. It is very costly. Okay, because we have to read every code in, and it is a very difficult. Okay, therefore the software developer found the another uh, uh, style. It is called as what? Object oriented programming. Object oriented programming. What is object oriented programming mean? It's mean they divide this program into the part. Okay, they develop divide this program into the part. Sorry, it mean here we have a first part. Okay, this is a first part, and this one is another part. Okay, this one is another part. Likewise, they divide this program into the part. Give me 1 second for the okay, I'm very sorry. Okay, they divide this program into the part. It mean here if we have 1,000 code is there. Okay, they divide this program 350 code here, and 200 code here, and this one for a 300 not 200 150 or something. Okay, likewise they divide into the parts. Okay, it's mean here we have a student part and the customer part. Likewise, okay, customer or whatever. Okay, order part. Likewise they divide into the parts. It's mean after they divide in these part, assume if the program have some error within this line. Okay, within this line, okay, they can easily find out the if we have some error. If they have some errors, then they can find out the easily within this line. Because what? Because this is a here we have a only uh, 350 line only. Okay, then we can read it, then they can easily find out the errors. Okay, likewise after they divide this program, it's mean here we have a less amount of the code in, then they can easily find out. Okay, then they make a main program here. Okay, just a simple idea. Okay, just a simple idea. They have a main program here, then all the program connect into the this one. Assume this is the one part, and this is the another part, and this is the another part. It means we can divide this part also. And if we wanted to add, okay, likewise if we wanted to add another part, like assume these all the part are sales part or something, like a HR part, customer need it. Okay, customer need HR part, customer need HR. Customer need HR part means the software engineer can develop it alone. Okay, then he or she can connect to the main program. It is very easy. Okay, that's why the object oriented picture. Okay, this is very easy. We can easily find out the errors, and we can, if you wanted to add some part, okay, we can directly write a code in another using another part, then we can connect with the main program. Okay, this is the simple idea why people move into the object oriented program. Okay, I hope it's it's clear, right? Do you have anything to ask up to now, up to this point? And parallel processing and everything we will discuss later on. uh, okay, why fast and easy to execute, provide the clear instruction for programming, help to keep the Java code dry, don't repeat yourself. Okay, when we do the coding part, we will discuss everything. Okay, uh, I am trying to do more coding with you. Okay, not the go beyond the I'm not going to move into the theory part, but if I wanted to explain the theory, I am trying to do the use the code also, using code and the real world example, and I am trying to tell it to you. I think it's easy. Okay. And here also we have a object oriented programming language. Okay, up to this point, any question? Don't think about much. Okay, when the time everything, uh, if you have any doubt, you can go ahead and you can type here. Okay. uh, Actually the programming paradigm is, okay, the different style. Okay, different style. We can do different programming style in order to do the programming. Okay, here we have a like example C plus C, it should be a C plus plus, right? C plus plus, Java, C, and Python. Okay, if it is a C or C plus plus, okay, C or C plus plus. No, C is not object oriented programming. C is not object oriented programming. Uh, C sharp, Python, these are the object oriented programming. Okay, what else here we have? Okay, and here before moving to the okay, integrated development environment and the text editor. Okay, before I will tell you what are the things we need in order to do the Java programming. The way to, okay. Okay, tell me, if you wanted to run a program, okay, what are the things we need? Just simple idea. Okay, I wanted to print my name on the console. What are the things we need? You may confuse, right? Just tell me, what are the things we need? I wanted to write a program now. Okay, I want to write a program now. Yes, compiler. Compiler. Yes, we need a compiler. Yes, true. Okay, what is actually you mentioned here compiler? Then I will tell you why do we need a compiler. Java development kit. Very yes, very good. Java development kit. Yes, we need it. Okay, Java development kit. We need it. We have to install it. With the Java development kit, we have a compiler. Okay, I will come to the compiler part now because here some student mentioned it. I will clear this one. Okay, here we have our program. Okay, just assume this is our program. We written code. This is our program. Hmm, my first Java, but my first pro good Java. Okay, here we have my program, and here I written some coding. I hope you know now what is the coding means. The HTML tag likewise. Okay, here we have my coding. Here we have my coding. Okay, here we have a coding, and here we have a like a coding like a public. Okay, it's static. Okay, assume here we have, and here also we have some coding like system dot out. Likewise, we have some coding here. Okay, this is our program written by us. Okay, but these coding, okay, assume I wanted to print my name, okay, as a pubudu. Okay, I wanted to print it. Okay, print on the console or print, get a print out or something. Okay, this program run, we have to run on our computer, right? Assume this is our computer. Okay, this is our computer, and this is my computer. Okay, assume this is my computer. Okay, when you look at this coding, okay, assume here we have public static system out, likewise pubudu. Likewise, when you look at this coding set, okay, when you look at this coding set, you can easily understand it. You can understand, here writer written pubudu static, and here written system out. Here written pubudu. Likewise, you can easily understand it, right? Okay, you can easily understand it. The computer only understand only numbers. Okay, what are the two numbers computer only understand? And human can. Yes, tell me, Buddha, what are the two numbers computer can only understand? Yes, very good. Yes, very good. Okay, very good. 1 and 0. Okay, computer only understand 1 and 0. Okay, this one. Okay, computer understand 1 and 0. But human can, everything can understand, right? Human can understand everything. Okay, human can understand this program because this is written by the English. Okay, but the computer doesn't understand. Okay, if I directly give this one, if we provide this one directly to the computer, computer doesn't understand because computer doesn't know the English. Okay, computer doesn't know the English. Computer only knows what? 1 and 0. Computer only knows 1 and 0. Therefore, we have to use the compiler. Okay, therefore, we have to use what? Compiler. Okay, therefore, therefore, we have to use the compiler. Compiler is a software actually. Okay, software, it's come with the what? It is normally come with the with JDK, Java Development Kit. It come with the Java Development Kit. All right, and here actually now see here we have a simple English, but computer only understand what? The zero sense one, right? Okay. Normally using compiler, okay, using compiler, that JDK we can convert into the binary format. It means we have to provide our source code. This is called as a source code. Remember that. Okay, this is called as source code. Okay, I will underline use in green. This is called as a source code. Okay, this is called as a source code. Remember that the format is within the Java, the source code is, the format is .java. You can use whatever the name for a program, but the file format should be Java. What is a format means? The format is actually if you take a picture, if you take a picture using mobile phone or something, the format is what? JPG, right? Okay, format is JPG. Likewise, if you wanted to write a Java program, the format is Java. Okay, we have to give the Java. When we do the coding part, I will explain it you to properly. Okay, how to save it. Likewise, no need to worry about it. Just get a overall idea what is happening here. The compiler is a convert actually. Okay, the simple Java program convert into the binary format. Okay, and here sometimes when the time being you will understand the byte code. Okay, binary format and the byte code is the two different things. Okay, remember that. Okay, and here I am trying to tell you the compiler normally not only within the Java. Okay, within the Java we have a compiler. Okay, within the Python also we have it. Okay, likewise whatever programming language if we use, okay, normally get an idea, the compiler convert the source code into the byte code. Okay, remember that. Okay, compiler convert what? The source code into the binary format. Remember that. Okay, binary format. Okay, sometimes you may see, okay, within the Java dot class is the format, bytecode format, dot class. Okay, bytecode. It means actually just a simple, get a simple idea. I will talk this one again. Using compiler, normally if we have a language like a Java, okay, we have a English now. Okay, if we have a English, then here we have a compiler. Compiler convert into the binary format, then only computer can understand that program. Okay, then the computer give output as pubudu. Okay, if we don't have a compiler, what will happen is, okay, it will not understand. Okay, therefore need to use the compiler. I think here we have within our lecture slide, we have a good graphical definition here. We'll go for that one and I will try to explain it. Okay, and here I will get this into the paint. I think it's best. Okay, and here we have a Java. Yes, here we have it. Okay, this one I think we can discuss. Okay, I told you. Okay, the compiler is in here, Java compiler. Okay, Java compiler normally convert into the byte code. Remember that. Okay, byte code, it convert into the byte code. Byte code means dot class. Remember that, dot class. Here we have our Java file. It means this one. This is the source code. Okay, this is the our source code. And source code, this is our source code. No, the my first program, Java. Okay, this is our first program. It convert into the bytecode using what? Compiler. Okay, compiler. And here we have a Java virtual machine, Java virtual machine, Java virtual machine. What is Java virtual machine? JVM means that. Okay, not only Java virtual machine, we have Python virtual machine. Likewise, why do we need a Java virtual machine? Any idea why do we need a Java virtual machine? Why? Any idea? Why do we need a Java virtual machine? Any idea? Java virtual machine. It is a software actually. When we install the Java development kit, okay, when we install the Java development kit, uh, it's automatically installed with the JVM also install it with the JDK kit. Okay, normally sometimes and nowadays when we install the Windows, the Java virtual machine is there. Okay, when we install the Linux, Java virtual machine is there. Okay, when we install the Mac, okay, Java virtual machine come with the Mac. Okay, first I think you know now Java code convert into the bytecode using what? Compiler. Okay, then if you wanted to run the bytecode, okay, if you wanted to run the bytecode, then we need a Java virtual machine. It means why do we need a Java virtual machine? When we install the Windows into our computer, Java virtual machine is already there with the Windows. Nowadays they provide it. Okay, so if not, yeah, after we install the Java environment, okay, Java virtual Java JDK, when we install it, the we can install the JVM. The JVM is a platform. It means what is the platform means. Here Windows is a platform, Linux is a platform, Mac is a platform. Okay, it means whatever program we written, okay, whatever program we written using Java, then we have a Java bytecode now. Then we have a Java bytecode. Assume we wrote a program in order to get the student details. Okay, we have it. Okay, this is assume this is student details uh, bytecode we written using Java. Then it's compile and we have a Java bytecode now. Okay, if we have a Java bytecode, it's assume this is my program written by me and I have my program. Okay, I convert into the Java bytecode. Okay, if we have a Java bytecode, then same times if the Java virtual machine is with the Windows, then we can directly run it. It means we can run the Java bytecode with the Windows with the help of the JVM, Java Virtual Machine. This bytecode, the same bytecode we can run with the Linux with the help of the JVM. The same bytecode, same software we can run with the Mac operating system. That is the beauty of the Java. The beauty of the Java means I told you Windows, when we install the Windows, Java Virtual Machine is there. when if we install the Linux, the Java virtual machine is there. Okay, if we install the Mac, the Java virtual machine is there. Okay, it's mean whatever program we uh, written using Java, then if we have a bytecode, we can run that bytecode within the any platform. Okay, that's why it's called as a platform independent. The platform independent means independent. Nidhas. Independent means we can run that bytecode within the anywhere. Okay, anywhere mean any platform. The Windows is a platform. Okay, Linux is a platform. Android is a platform. The Mac is a platform. Likewise, we can run it within the any platform if we have a Java virtual machine. That is the beauty of the Java. Okay, normally with the sometime is in the previously. Okay, if the previously after we write Java. Okay, after not the Java, like example, I assume we don't have a JVM, okay, like C++ or something. Then what happened is after we write a source code, okay, it's only we can run within the that computer only. It's mean it's a platform dependent. Okay, after we compile it, we can only run within the that specific computer only. Okay, with the help of the JVMA, okay, with the help of the Java virtual machine, we can run the software within the anywhere. Okay, that is the process of the Java. Okay, I will help you to download it and everything, and I will, when the time being, I will tell you how to do the all the coding part and the everything. Okay, don't worry about it, just get a simple idea. Okay, just get a simple idea. Okay, look at this picture, and if you didn't get if you have any doubt regarding this picture, okay, you can ask me. I will give you some times. Okay, if you don't like to uh, talk with me, okay, just go ahead and use that meet and chat. Okay, then you can ask me using meet. If not, if you are like to talk with me, just go ahead and talk to me. If you have any doubt, you can ask me here. Any idea? Any idea? Not the any idea, any doubt, actually. That's the thing I wanted to know. Is it clear? Yes or no? If it is a clear, please mention as yes. If not, please mention as no, and tell me the what is the area you didn't get it. Is it clear? I hope everyone with me. Okay, yes, yeah. Here we have a 34 student there, right? Okay. Okay. I hope everyone joined our WhatsApp group, right? I think in that time there was only 24 student. Now we have a 34, right? Okay. I will share the link again. I hope everyone not get it. This is the link. Uh, yes, yeah. Display to us to run. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. Thank you very much for your reply. Yes, thank you very much. Okay, if you are came later on, please go ahead and fill this one. And I think can someone share with me the WhatsApp link? I can't find it actually. Where did I go? If you have it, please share it with us. No, we have it right here. Can someone share it? Normally, I'm not prefer to follow these lecture slide and everything, but I will give the idea. Okay, everything you need to know. I am not going to read everything like a parrot. Okay, but I wanted to give the real world example and how this happened. Okay, normally I'm not going to use the each and every lecture slide, but I will tell you the things actually what you wanted to know, the idea and everything. Okay, I am not going to read this one. Okay, I will cover the overall all the things what you wanted to know, and I need normally within the last batch, okay, conduct I everyone, okay, except uh, one girl or something, she didn't uh, submit the all the activities. That's why if not, everyone can get the A plus. Okay, no need to worry about it. Okay, I am make sure do the all the work but I am giving it for you. Okay, then if we have any doubt, I am not going to blame it to you. Okay, I am not going to do tell anything for you. Okay, just please ask me. Okay, I am, it is not is disturb for me. Okay, if you have any doubt, please go ahead and ask me. If I know, definitely I will tell it to you. If I don't know, yes, here, thank you very much. Okay, Yasuri and uh Puta. Okay, Abe Ratna Puta. Okay, thank you very much. This is the WhatsApp group. Okay, you can go ahead and you can join. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can directly contact me. I hope I will share my picture actually with you. I think you all don't know about me and you don't know what is look like me, and I will actually share using WhatsApp group. Uh, then okay, I hope up to this point it's clear, right? All right. Okay, now we will go for a how to download the JDK, Java Development Kit. Okay, Java Development Kit. First thing is we have to download it. I copy that link. Okay, then this is the website. You can download it from the website. Yes. Okay, this one also I will share it. Here we don't. I don't have 35 student data here. No, don't feel now. Okay, I will give the time for you because we have an important work to do now. Okay, this is the link. If you are join later, uh, please go ahead and fill this one later. Okay, not now. Okay, not now, fill it later and join the WhatsApp group also. All right, we'll go for a lecture now. Okay, I will share this link also. This is the link you need to go, and here I will paste here. Okay, and this is the Oracle. Okay, this is the Oracle site, Java Oracle site. And before the Oracle, now in the recently by the Oracle, but it was Sun. My okay, it was a Sun, not the Oracle. Now we have this is a Oracle now. You can go ahead and you can download it using this website, Java Development Kit. Okay, Java Development Kit. I will share it with you also. Before do the coding, you have to install it. Okay, I will show you the exactly what you want. This is the link. You can directly go ahead and you can download it. Okay, it's a based on the your computer. Okay, it's a based on the your computer. It can be a Java development kit. Remember that this is Java development kit. Uh, and you need to install it, and it's based on the your computer. It's sometimes in your computer, sometimes your operating system is 32 and sometimes your operating system is uh, 32 and the 64-bit operating system. I will show you the way you want to download it, and here only mention 64, right? 32-bit is there or not? No, right? Yes. No, you can download it, no need to worry about it. I think most of the computers nowadays, yes, here Windows, Windows. It's based on the your computer. Okay, operating system. I will show you the how to check the your bit. What is your processor type? here. Okay, if your computer is a Windows, you can go ahead and download it. And if your computer is Mac operating system, you can download it also. If you are Linux, you can go ahead and you can download it. Okay, okay, assume this is 64, right? Yes, 64-bit. I will show you how to check your computer. And here right click on the this PC. Okay, right click on the this PC and go to properties. Okay, right click on the this PC and go to properties. I know you have you will have this recording, therefore no need to worry about it, how to check the uh, system things and everything. And here you can see the your operating system. Okay, here we have a 64-bit operating system type, 64-bit operating system. In my case, my computer is 64. I don't know whether in your computer what is the uh, operating system. I will snipping tool. Use the snipping tool if you wanted to copy something on the desktop. This is the according to my computer. This is my requirement specification, not the requirement. Okay, you can go ahead. Do we need to sign in? The yes, definitely we have to sign in. Yes, because in the previously they provide without mentioning anything. If you couldn't download, please let me know. I will upload into the Google Drive and I will share it with you. If you can't download it, anyone, please use the your WhatsApp group. Okay, use the WhatsApp group. Then tell me have any problems, any doubt regarding download, please go ahead and use the WhatsApp group and mention it, and I will try to help you. Okay, don't think about if I sometimes I can't reply suddenly where I can see it, which mean you may think sir is seeing that message but didn't reply it because I am very busy. I am not only working in the university of the open, not only open, I am also working in the different universities, therefore I am really busy. If I miss any message, please, okay, don't get upset. Okay, this is the main thing I wanted to mention. This is my humble request, don't get uh, upset. Okay, because I will reply for you. Okay, if you have any doubt, I will definitely reply you. Therefore please, okay, again, don't get upset. Okay, if I didn't reply it, but by the way I will try to my best for help you. Okay, I hope you can download it. If you can't download it, anyone, please let me know. I will upload into the Google Drive and I will share the link with you. Okay, then download it. Okay, no need to worry about it. Okay, wait, I think I will have a slit mm, okay, give me 1 second then. Okay, if you have any problem, please let me know. I will upload into the slit or open university drive and I will share it with you if you have any problem. Okay, please don't uh, hesitate to ask anything. Okay, anytime you can ask me. Okay, we will go for a lecture now. Here you need to download this one also. Okay, you need to download uh, this one. After you download it, I will try to show it in my drive and the software. Okay, and you can see after you download, you can see this type of file. Okay, I'm not going to download it because already I have it. Okay, this type of version you will have it. Okay, then right click. Okay, run as administrator. This JDK into the Google Drive or something. Okay, then I will share it with you. If you have any doubt, please let me know. If you couldn't download it, please go ahead and tell me. I will upload into the Google Drive and you can download it. Okay, right click and run as administrator. Okay, I'm not going to do the everything because already I installed it to my computer. Therefore, I'm not going to install it. I will show you the way you wanted to install. Okay, right click and run as administrator after you download it. Okay, it will take some time for an install. And this is actually Java development kit, and you need to use what is text editor. Why do we need a development kit and text editor? I told you the Java virtual machine, okay, Java compiler, and everything come with the Java development kit. Okay, I'm not going to install this one because I already installed it into my computer. Okay, if I install it again, it will replace on the previous version, and it will not work properly in my computer. Therefore, you can go ahead and you can install it. Here we have a C development kit, and this is the version. Whatever version it can be a differ with me. Okay, this is the older version I am using. You can use the new version. It is a totally free. You can install it, and the next, and you can install into the your uh, computer. Okay, then after that you need to use the IDE. What is IDE? Oh, you can use the notepad. What is notepad and what is JDK development kit? What the hell sir is talking? No, here the JDK is, I told you, okay, the compiler and the virtual machine and everything is there. It means after we develop the software, after we written the code and everything, we need to use this one in order to run it. Okay, but if we wanted to type it properly, the coding things, okay, we can use the many text editor. The text editor means we can use the different ways we can use to write. Okay, and here within my computer I use bracket. Okay, sometimes I use, when we develop the software, I use bracket, and sometimes I use notepad plus plus as a text editor, and sometimes mostly I use Visual Studio Code. It's nowadays every developers are use Visual Studio Code. Okay, you can go ahead and you can choose whatever the text editor you can you like. Okay, but in the first, as a beginner, okay, you need to use what the uh, text editor as what. Okay, I will tell you what I forget it. This one, what is this readme file? This one, notepad. Yes, notepad. I totally forget it. Notepad. You have to use the notepad. Okay, this one. Okay, using this one we have to type the each and every code in. Okay, I will type some program first. Okay, class, my first pro. Okay, just don't think about much. Okay, I will type the coding and everything later on. I just wanted to know what is the differences between the notepad and the other text editor. That's the thing. Okay, I will tell you everything you wanted to do after you install the JDK into your computer. Then here we have type the public static void main and string. Okay, this is the simple program in order to print my name. Okay, and system.out.println. Okay, this is the source code actually. Okay, my name is pubudu. Okay, if you wanted to display my name on the console, console means this one. Okay, I am telling every time the console is this one. Console means command prompt. Okay, this is the command prompt. Okay, if you wanted to print my name and everything here, okay, this is the code in line we have to use. Okay, don't think about that one. I will come to this point again. I just wanted to know what are the differences between the notepad and the Visual Studio Code bracket and the everything. Okay, then you will get the idea. uh, no, Visual Studio Code is best. Okay, and sometimes you may think bracket is best, sometimes you may think notepad plus plus is best. Okay, likewise we have a many text editor. Why do we need to use the text editor? As a software developer, in order to type the code in, we use the text editor. Okay, in here, see what are the things I written here: class and the class name, and this is called as the main method, and this is called as, if you wanted to print something, we have to use the this part. Okay, don't think about that one. Okay, I will come to this part. This is my source code. In order to print my name, source code means the things I write here, the things I write here. This is the source code. Okay, this is the one statement. Okay, this is the one statement, and I will show you the code in how, if I write using Visual Studio Code. This is the notepad. Okay, this is the notepad, that is the notepad, and this is the Visual Studio code. Okay, I will try to get a recent code in, which is written by me. Okay, and here you can see the code in line. Okay, it is still loading. I think I use this one, code in is using PHP. Okay, can you see difference? Okay, assume, okay, this is the Visual Studio Code. Okay, this is the Visual Studio Code, and using Visual Studio Code, we can easily identify the errors. Easily identify the errors means some keyword. The keyword is what? The keyword means specific word which is used for a programming language. Don't think about that much. Okay, the keyword is specific word. Okay, it is used for a programming language, and here see, these are the keyword. Okay, script, link, header, body, PHP, include, likewise. Okay, if we written using this Visual Studio Code or something, we can easily identify the code and the everything. Okay, here see how many code in line is there, how many here only I think around I have written code in like code in around yes, around 400. Yes, 400, around 400 coding I have written. If I write these all the coding using uh, paint, can you imagine how hard to find the errors? If you have some errors or something, how hard to find it? Okay, here only we have 3 line, right? Okay, 3 line. If we have any here, if we make some mistake here, if we wanted to write system.out.no, if here we have a t, I miss some t, we can't see it, right? We can't see it. Here we have to read it this is public static void main string arch system dot then only I know it. Okay, here only we have a third line, only 3 line is there, right? Only 3 line is there. If you have 1,000 of line, can you imagine how hard it? Okay, can you imagine it? If we have a text editor writer, Visual Studio Code or something, we can easily identify if we have some errors or something. Okay, that's why normally developers are use the Visual Studio Code. It is very easy. If you make me mistake, okay, it will show. Okay, therefore uh, better, okay, we have to use the Visual Studio Code. Okay, if you can't but the first we have to use the basically we have to use the uh, notepad. Okay, but after 2 or 3 days we can move into the Visual Studio Code. Okay, okay, I will try to copy this one into the paint and I will show you, and here how we look like. Okay, We can see easily, right? Here we have a, this is SQL queries. Okay, in order to send some data. Okay, here we have some SQL queries in order to save the data. Okay, don't think about the coding and everything. I just wanted to tell you what is the differences between Notepad and the Visual Studio Code. Right here, I am trying to paste into the Visual Notepad. Okay, see, if I paste code in, can you imagine if I write this one using pen and not the notepad, how hard to write it? See, I can't even imagine it. How can I write it, this coding using paint? Can you? Here, if we make some mistake here, no one can identify it. Can you imagine it? If I make some jQuery or something, we can't find it, right? If you make some mistake here, how can we find it? No, we can't, right? That's why we have to move into the Visual Studio Code or something. Okay, same thing. Visual Studio Code you can use, or I will remove the Visual Studio Code. I will in the within the next day I will show you how to run how to do the code in using Visual Studio Code in the day school 2. And I will also use this is also possible, Notepad plus plus. It is easy. Okay, you can download it from the uh, website. Okay, here see, this is also very easy, Notepad plus plus. Okay, this is a project for some student of the another campus. Okay, here can you see? Okay, you can use the whatever text editor. Okay, if you wanted to type the code in, okay, you can go ahead and you can use the Visual Studio Code. You can use the text editor like Notepad plus plus or bracket, or NetBeans also. Okay, NetBeans also you can use it. Then you're using NetBeans also, you can do the coding also. Okay, you can use the whatever text editor you want. But I am recommend for you, we will use Visual Studio Code. Okay, I think it's easy for us. Okay, if you wanted to follow exactly the things what I am doing here, please go ahead and install the Visual Studio Code. Okay, then you have wanted to download two things. What is the two things now? Up to now, you have to download JDK. Okay, you have to download JDK, and you have to download the Visual Studio Code, VS Code. Okay, you can directly type the VS Code here, type the using Google, and you can download directly from the uh, here. Okay, I will share the link also, and with the your computer you can go ahead and you can download it. This is a Windows, and I will share it with you also. Do we need to sign it? Yes, exactly. See more what? Uh, uh, Normally we have to sign it. I don't know now. We no need something. I had to sign it. We'll download it. No need means what? We have to click on download. Yes, we have to sign it. If you don't have an account, we have to sign it. And here, I don't know. So we have downloaded VS Code. Yes, of course. Okay, then no need to worry about it. If you have a VS Code, no need to, no problem. Okay, no problem. You can use it then. Was mentioned as no. Sometimes other website, okay, I think Vasala mentioned as other website, third party website, no need to install it, no need to sign it, but the genuine site is this one. Okay, normally as a software engineer, when you download some package or something, use the trust source. Okay, therefore you need to go ahead and you have to sign in. If you don't have a account, please go ahead and create it. It's easy, no? Here you have to mention it, and you can create the account and you can download it. Okay, in my case I have to sign in, but I don't know why Vasala mentioned as no. Okay, if you couldn't install it or download it, please let me know. I will share the link with you. Okay, all right. Okay, if you have a Visual Studio Code, no need to worry about it. We can go ahead and we can use it. I hope you download it also into your computer. And after you download it and after you install it, okay, you have to do another thing. It means you have to uh, set path. It means you have to set some variables. Okay, I will show you. Okay, you have to go for a C drive. In my case, lab C. Okay, C drive, and we have to go for a program file. Okay, please, I will show you the path and everything. No need to worry about it. Okay, within the program file, in my case, Java development kit, not the Java runtime environment, Java development kit. Before you install the JDK, okay, you will have it's mean the Windows provide the Java runtime environment. Okay, but if you wanted to develop a software, you have to install the Java development kit. In my case, I install it before 1 year, I think. Not the 1 year, yes, around 4 month I updated it. Okay, and here this is the path. Okay, in my case this is the my computer path. Okay, I will share it with you. I will tell you the everything you want to do, and this is the path in my case. In your computer, I don't know, I think JDK 1.8 bin. You may confuse, right? Why do we need to do it? Because we can't compile without make the environment. Like make the environment means we have to set path. Okay, we have to after we write the install the not the right after we install the JDK into our computer, we have to show the path. Where is the compiler and the everything? Okay, we have to show it. Okay, that's the thing. Okay, I told you we have to convert into our program into the bytecode, no? Okay, therefore we have to show this path. Okay, you have to copy this one first. Okay, right click and copy it. Then I will show you the easy way we can do. Okay, right click on the this PC. Okay, you will have this video also with you, therefore no need to worry about it. You can get it video, you can download it, you can then follow it after the class. And here about us. Okay, I think you know how to go for about us. Right click this PC, then you can get the about us, and here we have a advanced system setting. All right, here we have a advanced system setting. Go ahead, and here we have a environment variable. I will environment variable, and here this is the path, and I will try to share it with you. I don't know whether you install it or not. Okay, I hope you don't know. That's why I am trying to tell it to you. Okay, if you know the how to install and the set path and everything, I am not going to go it. Please let me know if you know it. Okay, then we can save the time. Okay, I hope you didn't install it. That's why I told it to you. Did you install and the set path, everyone? Yes or no? Please let me know. Yes, everyone. Yes, please tell me. Then no need to mention it. Yes.
Environment variables, where do we want to paste that link? Sorry, that path.
Okay, I will show it to Sarah. Wait, okay.
Okay.
Sir, will this recording available in MS Team LMS? No. Okay, some are installed, some are no, right? Yes, I will show you. Okay. Yes, yes. Okay, I will go for a quickly, then you will know. No? Okay. Okay, not yet. Okay, then yes, and here you can have, you can see here like a path, like path. Here, can you see the environment variable? Can you see this path? This is the place you need to paste.
Yes.
Yes, okay. And here you can new. Okay, you can go ahead and you can use the new. Don't use the new. Just go ahead and select the path and edit it. Okay, because already my path is there. Okay, I will show you. Go ahead and edit it. Okay, go ahead and edit it. Then you have to click on the new. Okay, you have to click on the new. Then you can paste it. That path you copied path, you have to paste it. Yeah, in my case you can see, right? C and the program file Java JDK 1.8 likewise, and the bin. This is the my variable, environment variable. You have to keep that way. Okay, I will share the uh, this one also. Mm, not yet, not yet. Okay. Thank you very much for your reply. I think you can think about as a me as a friend. Okay, therefore no need to worry about it. If you have any problem, you can directly ask it for me. Okay, if you are a friend with you, you can ask your friend. No, likewise, go ahead and ask me. I'm not going to blame or anything. Okay, just uh, ask me. Okay, you can. Anything you can ask me if you have any problem. Yes, you have a limits, right? Then you can. Okay, by the way, that's the thing. Okay, then you have to click on the uh okay, then you have to click on the okay. That's it. Okay, after you click on the okay, you can see the your working your path is like this. All right. Okay, I will close it. Okay, after you, if it is installed properly, you need to go ahead and type the cmd. Okay, and yeah, after you click on the cmd and if you type java c, okay, you need to see like this. Okay, in my case is this one. Okay, you can use the everyone here. I think have, I will show you if it is installed properly. Here we have around that's the thing. No, I'm not going to do anything much. 35, no. Here we have 35 student, right? Here we have 35 student. Each and every student, please, okay, go ahead and use the cmd. Just type the cmd command prompt. Okay, then uh, type here java c and uh, use the snipping sort, this one, snipping tool, and crop it. Okay, and using your WhatsApp, share it with me quickly. Then I will know everyone is installed. This way, this is my case. Likewise, you all share it with me quickly.
Excuse me, sir. What should we type? Java C. Oh,
Java C, yes, type the
okay.
Java C. Okay, Java C. If your computer is if you are install it properly, you can see the these type of details. Yes, very good. Yes, prints there. If the everyone is installed properly, then we can start the coding part within the next day. within the day school too. That's why I'm going to ask from you. Okay. Okay, here we have 35, right? Okay, if you couldn't install it, no need to worry about it. Okay, go ahead and take a time and install it. And if you have any problem, you can directly uh, use the WhatsApp group. Okay, then others also help you. You know, to if I am not able to help you, here we have around 35 students. No, they will definitely help you. I know that. Okay. Right. Okay, I will show you the simple way. And here, uh, this is a simple program for us. Okay, I hope you already did something, right? Please make sure to not to cut any class. Okay, don't miss any class. If you miss any class, please go ahead and watch the video and get the idea and join the class. It means what happen is if you miss the classes and the object, you will not understand what is the abstraction, what is the polymorphism, or new word, right? Abstraction, what the hell is that? Okay, likewise you will not understand. Therefore please make sure to uh, share it. Make sure to attend the each and every class. Okay, don't miss it. Okay, if you miss it, it's a normally happening. We have problems and everything. Okay, nowadays sometimes power is not there. And one thing I want to tell, okay, when we conduct the class, okay, if I am missing suddenly, please don't leave the class. Okay, because sometimes power cut is there. Okay, then I will use the another power source or something, generator or something, then I will come back. Definitely I will come back. I will tell something using WhatsApp group or anything. Therefore please don't leave the class, don't miss any class. If you have any doubt, please go ahead and tell me. Okay, and I wanted to see each and everyone. Okay, if you would like to share the your photos or anything using your WhatsApp group, okay, I would like it. uh I don't know you like or not, okay, but I wanted to get to know about you, okay, because we are doing the virtual class, okay. Therefore I don't know what is look like, what that's why. Okay, if you like it, you can share the your photos with you, your members and everything. Okay, this is the first time, no? Okay, all right. I think I will start the coding part within the next day. Up to this point, okay, up to this point, if you have any doubt regarding the installing or what are the discussing compiler, likewise, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me, or if you can use the WhatsApp group or anything. uh okay, some people use this one, right? Chat box. Okay, it's up to you. Yes, make sure to when you come on the next day. Okay, I am normally conduct the class with you. It's mean will give some time for do the coding with me. Okay, then it's the same time when we do the coding. If you have any doubt, you can directly ask me, right? If you got some problem or something, you can directly ask me. Therefore, make sure to type the code in and everything with me. Therefore please go ahead and install the JDK system, JDK software and the Visual Studio Code and everything. Okay, then if you have a two monitor or something, it is best. Okay, then if you are using the laptop or something, then you can use another monitor. Okay, then for a lecture, the my screen for another monitor and you are coding for another monitor. Okay, I will show you the some screen. I will show you the way I am doing the class. I normally use the two monitors. I don't know, you are all are going to become software engineers, no? Then the software engineers use this way. I will share the, I will try to share the my monitor. Give me 1 second. Okay, this way I am using the monitor. Okay, then same way you can also use it. The my laptop is down. The top where we have another monitor. I don't know. I am not going to force it to you. If you are can only, right? If you have a mobile phone also, it's better, right? You can use the mobile phone for a Teams. Okay, then you can use the monitor. You can do the coding part using computer. Then you can watch the my coding using mobile phone or something. Okay, likewise you can use the whatever you want. Okay, normally I prefer to use this way. Okay, when I study also I use this way. Okay, this is very easy. Okay, I don't know whether you can do or not. Okay, but I am not going to force it to you. If you can do it, uh, then you can see the my screen and you can type the your own code. Okay, that's it for today. Do you have anything to ask? Any doubts, any problems, anything you can ask me. If you not, okay, we can wind up the session. Please mention any comment. Like if it is a clear, please mention
Excuse
as
me, sir.
clear. Tell me, Buddha.
Can you show us that app, Java app? Because we couldn't open it.
Java app means what, Buddha?
Uh, how it will be when we go inside? How we can go? Is sorry, not app. That software.
Software. It's mean you need
Yeah,
software. It's mean the way you download, right?
yeah. I already downloaded, but I couldn't find where it is.
Okay. After you download it, normally it goes for a download in your computer. In my case, here we have a download, right? Here, see, it's normally downloaded into the downloads, my computer. Then you can get it, right? Normally it goes for a download. Within the browser also you can check it. In here we have download. All the download program is there. Uh, Download here. Within the web browser also you can check it. If you have download, if you have any uh, issues regarding the downloading and everything, please let me know. I will upload that JDK into the Google Drive and I will share the link with you. Then you can directly download it. All right. Any problem, please let me know. I will share all the softwares also with you. It is a free. Okay, therefore no need to worry about it. Okay, is it clear, Buddha? Did you find it? Sahara?
Yes, yes, sir. I found it.
Okay,
Thank
okay,
you.
okay. What about others? If you have any doubt, please unmute and talk to me like your friend. Okay, don't think about that. Okay, please mention as if the today lecture is clear or not clear or anything you can mention it. Okay. Okay, I hope now I think we can wind up the session. Okay, if you have any doubt, please go ahead and ask me through the WhatsApp group. Okay, and you have my telephone number, contact number also within the uh, WhatsApp group. Okay, then you can directly contact me. Okay, and yes, okay, thank you very much for joining. I will meet on the next day 3, day school 2, I think. Okay, thank you very much for joining. Okay, we will meet on the next day. Okay, thank you very much. If you have any doubt, please go ahead and directly ask me. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay, good night.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you,
Good
sir.
night, sir.
Thank
Okay.
you, sir. Super class.